Hello again, guys. This time we will see what the first activity is about. Click on the web address below the video and introduce the code given. Just follow the red hand. After that, write your email address, your Gmail address, and the password. Once in, read the instructions for this exercise and prepare your answers. Once you have your answers ready, click on the big green plus button and record your 2 minutes answers. It is possible that the platform asks you permission to use the camera and the microphone, so you have to permit their use. You can control the time of your answer by looking at the red enter counter. Finally, um, you need to take a selfie to use as a thumbnail for the video, and you can add some stickers as well. You can also change the color of the background for your video, and when everything is ready, click on the green submit button. And that's it. I hope you have a lot of fun.